So today's Jack's birthday. Hey Jack. How you doing, buddy? So Mom decided to get him a new squid toy. And then she left for yoga. Yeah, nice toy, eh? Say, I'm one today. Happy birthday, Jack. Yeah, you missed some there. Get some more out of them. Yeah, make sure you kill them good. I think we'll just leave that mess for Mom to clean up when she gets home. Are we really communicating with spirits right now? Said something like, I'll help you hear it. How much did Gary say he paid for this?
I heard dollars.
I heard like $5, but no.
We can hear you!
I said your name again, like Gary's sitting there or something. Okay, listen, I think the two of us can agree we want to talk to Papa Mike. Papa, you watching over us? Talking about something.
Talking about me, I thought it said.
Okay, we're like hearing this.
We're both hearing what they're saying.
Something about the water.
Awesome, impressive.
Something about that water, and then impressive. Okay, this is awesome. Hey, Papa, should I redo your little red wagon? What were we suffering with for the past couple of weeks? Into Dad's new house. 5.
Okay, what's the last question?
Well, I kind of reset the property over there this summer when I was over there and said nothing evil. Did that have any effect on the property? My spiel when I spoke to the spirits over there.
Well, I already told Dad this morning that he's going to need more than whiskey and a pair of strippers' underwear to bless the house this time, I think.
I kind of blessed it, that's my point. I blessed the property this summer when I was over there working. Just ask if my blessing had any effect on the property.
Did Grant's blessing have a positive effect?
Okay, I'm going to go fire up the water. This time we're going to run it without the speakers on the TV, just the surround sound. Okay, so I want to do another quick session here, a few questions on retouching up on King Henry VIII and Elizabeth Barton, just while I'm shooting my first ever live session today. Gary's gone, he's got his footage, he's going to analyze that. Let me turn this on. Okay, King Henry VIII and Elizabeth. I asked Henry if he would like to apologize to Elizabeth. Did he do so? Someone said it was an important meeting we had. Why was that? It seemed to me that King Henry might still feel like he was better than a regular commoner. Would he come back and live a life as a peasant? King Henry, did you tell me that you believe the people need the guidance of the royal family? Okay, so that was an interesting experiment yesterday. Gary and I were trying to talk live to the spirits, but after he left and I did this King Henry Elizabeth part here, I couldn't really tell what they were saying to me live. So yeah, I could hear certain words, like a word here and there, but I couldn't tell what they were saying. And even editing it right now, I'm like, I have to listen to it like 25 times. I'm getting a lot of words that they're saying. So it's no faster for me to decipher this. But then I thought, well, you guys are hearing what we recorded yesterday. What if I took that jumbly mess, filtered again? Is it going to knock off any excess plops of water and anything that really wasn't technically words? Would it refine it? So from here to the end, what I've done is I did just that. I filtered it again, and I'm hearing some amazing responses, as we always do. So this is a double filter from here to the end of the video. I haven't finished it, but I've gotten a couple of amazing responses already, so check this out. Elizabeth, did you affect my throat during that session we did? Did you feel pain when they hanged you? Would you two come back to Earth to live a life as a married couple? How do I know I'm talking to somebody that's intelligently answering my questions right now? I can't really hear you. I hear your voice. Do you spirits have a message for us today? Heard something about the water. I need to keep experimenting, don't I? Love, peace, joy, and adventure to you viewers. I'm going to analyze this and see what we get for messages.